Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is Arabic alphabet Alif to Ya. Arabic alphabet Alif to Ya. Today's lecture number 4 and I will give HW which number will be 1. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and watch and see how I write the Arabic letter from Alif to Ya. Okay, start. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Lal, Ra, Za, sorry, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Toa, Loa, Ain, Goin, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, and last one is Ya. Okay, dear students, now I want to repeat from Alif to Ya. Dear students, please read with me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Dod, Toa, Dha, Ain, Goin, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Okay, dear students, this is total Arabic alphabet Alif to Ya, 29 Arabic alphabets. Okay, dear students, this is end of today's lecture. Now I want to give HW. Okay, today's HW is first HW for half yearly of 2021. HW number 1 and headline or Arabic HW is write Arabic alphabet Alif to Ya. Okay, dear students, you have to write from Alif to Ya in your HW copy and submit your HW copy on every Saturday from 9 am to 4 pm. Dear students, will be very good to collect 2 set copies of HW. 1 set copies you have to submit on Saturday, and this copy you return next Saturday and give your home copy on that Saturday. So it will be very good if you collect 2 copies of every HW copy. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home and write more and more at your home, then it will be good. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.